Well, we did it. We hit the 1K subscriber mark, and that means we're going to do a giveaway, right, baby?
Giveaway.
That's right. We're going to do a giveaway. I mean, y'all gave to us by subscribing and watching us and becoming our friends. So we just want to give it back a little to all of you. So this coming up Friday, which is, what is this Friday, baby?
January 1st.
January 1st. It will be a new year. And
We weren't going to do a live and because of the holidays, but we thought, hey, the first day of the year, what better day to give things away?
that's right. So what are we giving away, baby? We're giving all kinds of prizes away. She says, what are we giving away? We are giving all kinds of prizes away. We are going to give away money. We're going to give away shot glasses. We're going to give away koozies. I mean, we don't know all what we're giving away, but we do know we're going to give away money. And that money's going to be at least $100, right, baby?
Then we're going to do two $50 gift cards.
That way we can spread the love around because that's what y'all done to us. We showed all kinds of love from all kinds of people. So what are the rules?
You've got to be a subscriber.
You must be a subscriber.
You've got to comment on this video
This video here.
so we know to put your name in the hat. And you got to be present to win.
You got to be there Friday
night at 7 p.m.
on the Life is Good Today YouTube channel. So, hey, make sure you're there. And, of course, subscribe and comment.
Notifications.
And hit the notification so you'll know to be there so you won't forget. And until then, hey, we hope the rest of your year is awesome. And we hope the new year is going to be even better. Right, babe?
It's going to be our best year ever.
Best year
We're
ever.
going to get back to cruising.
Woo! What else? What else? What else? I'm
Other
excited.
vacations.
Woo!
We just want to go and have fun and meet people and have a good time.
Absolutely. So, hey, we're getting off of here. Remember, subscribe, comment, be there to win. All kinds of goodies. All kinds of goodies. Woo! See ya.